Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, you want to get your hands dirty in the world of ethical hacking, but you're not exactly rolling in cash? Trust me, I get it. Starting out can be tough, but you don't need a massive budget to get your hands on some seriously cool hacking tools. We're talking about budget-friendly options that won't break the bank but will still give you a taste of what's possible. Today, we're diving into my top 5 picks for budget-friendly hacking tools that every aspiring ethical hacker needs to know about. Let's get right to it. First up, we've got the RTL-SDR. This little dongle is like the gateway drug to the world of software-defined radio. Seriously, it's crazy affordable, often found for less than the cost of a decent pizza. What can you do with it? Well, you can listen to unencrypted police and aircraft communications, monitor weather radio, and even experiment with FM radio transmissions. All you need is the dongle and a computer to get started. Think of it like this. The RTL-SDR is like opening up a whole new spectrum of signals you never even knew existed. You can decode them, analyze them, and learn a ton about how wireless communication works. It's a fantastic learning tool, and you can find tons of tutorials and projects online to get you started. Just a word of caution though, always make sure you're using it legally and ethically. What do you think about the RTL-SDR? Let us know in the comments. Next, we have the Crazy Radio, a tiny USB dongle that packs a surprising punch. This little guy is specifically designed for 2.4 GHz wireless communication, which means it's perfect for messing around with things like drones and wireless keyboards. You can use it to sniff wireless signals, inject your own commands, and even take control of compatible devices. Don't worry, we're talking about ethical hacking here, so no taking over your neighbor's drone without their permission. The Crazy Radio is particularly popular in the drone hacking community because it's relatively easy to use, and there's a ton of open-source software available for it. You can even find pre-built payloads that you can just upload and run. Just remember, safety first. Always test your hacks in a controlled environment before trying them out in the real world. Have you ever used Crazy Radio? Share your experience in the comments. Now, if you're ready to step up your SDR game and you've got a bit more cash to spare, the LimeSDR is where it's at. This thing is like the RTL-SDR's bigger, more powerful sibling. We're talking about a wider frequency range, higher bandwidth, and the ability to both transmit and receive signals. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for ethical hacking and RF experimentation. You can use the LimeSDR for everything from GSM and GPS signal analysis to building your own cellular base station. Again, for educational purposes only, of course. It's a more advanced tool, so there's definitely a steeper learning curve, but the possibilities are pretty much endless. Plus, there's a huge and active community of LimeSDR users out there, so you'll never be short of support or inspiration. Would you consider using LimeSDR? Tell us why or why not in the comments. Alright, for those of you who are serious about RF hacking and have a bit more budget to play with, the BladeRF is the tool for you. This is a professional-grade SDR platform that offers incredible performance and flexibility. We're talking about a wide frequency range, high bandwidth, and the ability to transmit and receive signals with impressive fidelity. With the BladeRF, you can delve deep into the world of digital signal processing, explore advanced modulation schemes, and even develop your own custom RF protocols. It's a powerful tool that's used by researchers, security professionals, and hobbyists alike. Just be prepared to invest some serious time and effort into learning how to use it effectively. What are your thoughts on BladeRF? Comment below. Last but not least, we have the flipperzero, a pocket-sized hacking tool that's been making waves in the security community. This little device is like a Swiss Army knife for hackers, packed with features like RFID and NFC reading and emulation, infrared communication, and even a built-in sub-GHz transceiver. You can use the flipperzero to clone access cards, replay infrared signals to control TVs and other devices, and even explore the world of sub-GHz wireless communication. It's a super versatile tool that's perfect for on-the-go hacking and experimentation. Plus, it's open source and has a growing community of developers creating new firmware and applications for it all the time. Do you think flipperzero is worth it? Let us know in the comments. So there you have it, folks, my top 5 picks for budget-friendly hacking tools. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, ethical hacking is all about learning and exploring the limits of technology responsibly. So, get out there, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Before you go, what's your favorite hacking tool? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one.